Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ed and you are watching Random E. So today I'm going to open Airpods Pro. So I already unboxed this one. I'm just going to show you what's inside Airpods Pro. So let's open it. So what we have is paperwork again. The paperwork. We have the AirPods case. Earphones, wireless earphones. So what else inside? We have the cable, lightning to USB-C, and then we have the ear tips. So if the default ear tips doesn't fit your ears, so you can change it. So that's what's inside AirPods Pro box. So let's try to fit it to this case. What I like about this case is that it has cover for the port as well. So I chose this one. So that's it for my AirPods Pro unboxing. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.